Oh my God. Merong cash. Oh my God. Nakikita niyo na nakikita ko? Okay. Okay, this is coming from LBC. Masyado ako maarte-in. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel! So I'm Chika! Oh my God, it's 2 days before Christmas and here we go again! Ano ng mga chika sa inyo? So ano ng mga handa nyo? Hindi nyo pa sinasabi sa akin. Well, Merry Christmas in advance guys! Oh my God, nakikita nyo na nakikita ko? Okay, yes, this is my credit card. It's my new credit card. Pinadala na siya guys. It's a PRU Life UK credit card. Boy, excited din sila. Charot! Hindi. So this is my third credit card. My first credit card was Security Bank Gold Mastercard. And then my second card is Citibank Cashback Visa. And then this is my third credit card, which is a PRU Life UK credit card issued by Robinsons Bank. Paano ako nagkaroon ng PRU Life UK credit card? Well, let's discuss about that. Pero ngayon, bubuksan muna natin guys. Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng ano tayo. Alcohol. Sprayan muna natin ng alcohol. Masyado ako maarte-in when it comes to mag-alcohol muna tayo. Good then. Actually, kakagising ko lang. Today is December 22. Nagising ako sa ingay ng delivery man. Oo, maingay siya. Maingay talaga siya. Ayan, maingay yung motor. Sabi ko. So it's December 22. Let's see. Bubuksan na natin guys. It's coming from LBC. Oh my God. Merong cash. There's a bunch of cash dollars. Charot. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan yung PRU Life UK. Kasi the reason why nagkaroon ako ng ganito is, sige na, buksan muna natin. Ayan siya. Buksan muna natin siya. Buksan natin kung may cash dito. Okay, so this is the card, PRU Life UK credit card, This is the front page, it's the welcome kit guys, PRU Life UK credit card. Ito pa yung previous address ko, naka-address dito. Ay! Ano ba yan? Nakakainis! Oh my God, magkano yung credit limit niya? 10,000. 10,000 ang pot. Ayan. Akala ko 100. Kulang yung 100. Yung 0, akala ko 100. Reset! So, i-discuss natin yung perks and features ng Robinsons Credit Card. Bakit ang baba nilang magbigay ng credit limit? Kakainis naman to. Ano ba? Robinsons Bank, ano ba? Magkano yung credit limit? 10,000 dai. Napakababa. Daig pa yung mga ola. 10,000? Agad-agad? Oh my God, so that's the credit limit. Nakakaloka, di ba? Oh my God. Parang wala pa sa kalahati yung mga dati kong credit card. Nakakaloka. Daig pa yung ola. At saka ibang lending app or ibang digital bank na ang lakas mag-offer. Pero itong Robinsons Bank, oh my God, 10,000. Baka naman, di ba? Nakakaloka kayo. So, paano ako nagkaroon ng PRU Life credit cards? Ito na nangyayari. Since policy owner ng Pro Life Insurance, I have a policy insurance with them. They offered me a Pro Life credit card. It's a new promotional offer na galing sa Pro Life Insurance mismo. This is a co-branded credit card with Robinsons Bank, diba? I received an email regarding that offer, and then I applied, and then it took me like how many months since October, ngayon December na, diba? November, December, so it took me like 2 months bago na-approve, and 10,000 pa talaga, nakakaloka. So sobrang haba application process nila. Dun lang pala ang bagsak natin, ang makakuha ng just like napakababang credit limit, diba? Let's review the features and benefits of this Pro Life credit card. So this card is actually no annual fee. You're going to enroll this credit card for automatic payment sa Pro Life account mo. Okay? So gagamitin mo siya for automatic payment to charge your monthly premium sa Pro Life Insurance. So that's gonna be no annual fee. So if you're not going to link that card, ang magiging annual fee niya is 1,200 for Classic MasterCard, which is, I am holding a Classic MasterCard right now, and then a Platinum, which is 3,000 pesos. So sobrang laki din yun, diba? Ang gagawin ko, I'm gonna use this card to pay for the monthly premium para at least ma-maximize ko yung benefits ng card. Hindi tayo magbabayad ng annual fee ng ganun-ganun na lang. Tapos 10,000 pa yung credit limit niya. Nakakakaloka, diba? Alright, so o kaya gusto niyo tapan ko na lang to. Sasolve ko na lang sa puwet ko or kili-kili ko, diba? Charot. But still, I'm grateful because they approved me for this co-branded credit card. So at least, diba, meron pa rin akong hinahawakang active credit card where I can use for purchases and other essential needs like groceries, keme-keme, or emergency needs, diba? So malaking bagay pa rin sa akin ito. So back in October 12, yun na nga, di ba? Nag-apply ako, and then hindi siya instant approval gaya ng mga digital bank or OLA, di ba? So kailangan ko talaga maghintay ng mga ilang weeks. Sabi nga nila 2 weeks yung application. So once you submitted the application with the Robinsons Bank, i-endorse nila ngayon sa Pro Life for verification. Kasi this card is solely for or exclusively for policy owners lang at saka agent ng Pro Life Insurance. So, hindi siya open for the public. Open lang siya for policy owners, may account sa insurance, and agents as well. Financial advisor ng Pro Life UK. So I got lucky, I got approved. At least I can use this for essential needs or emergency needs, just like I said, di ba, paulit-ulit na lang tayo. Now, nag-antay ako ng napakatagal ng application process dahil. So, akala ko hindi na siya ma-approve kasi binaliwala ko na. So, yung card is they actually tried to deliver the card sa old address ko. So, nagkaroon pa tayo ng parang delay sa delivery kasi I need to update my new address with them by calling Robinsons Bank how many times, knowing that their customer service is, di ba, napakatagal ang waiting time sa customer service pag tinatawagan mo, and landline pa, di ba? So ginawa ko yun para lang ma-update yung ating bagong address. So nung nakalipat na kami dito sa bagong bahay, hindi ko makahinga dahil. So nung nakalipat na kami dito sa bagong bahay, totally hindi ko na pinurse talaga itong Pro Life credit card to check the status. Been waiting for like 2 months, ngayon lang siya na-approve. Nalaman ko na na-approve siya, nagtaka ako kasi I got text messages, I got offers from Robinsons Bank na if I'm going to use this card through Shopee, I will earn this 200 pesos off, mga gano'n. Bibigyan nila ako ng 200 pesos off if I use my credit card to purchase. So nagtaka na ako, bakit nila ako sinesenda ng mga ganitong offers? Wala naman akong credit card with Robinsons Bank. And then, it came to my mind na back in October, I applied for PRU credit card. So yun na, so pinalo up ko na, tinawagan ko ng Robinsons Bank, chinek ko kung ano ng status, kung na-approve na ba ganyan. I also emailed them and then I got the confirmation na yes, my application was approved. Okay, pero hindi sinabi kung magkano or kailan na-approve, ganyan. So basta hindi kasi ako naka-receive ng text messages na approve siya. Sinabi din makaka-receive daw ako ng text message kung ma-approve ako or decline. Pero hindi, di ba? Kailangan ako talaga ang mag-follow up sa kanila. Nakakaloka. I'm so disappointed because Robinsons Bank, knowing Robinsons Bank, malaki din siyang bangko. Pero ganun sila magbigay ng credit limit. Nakakaloka. Sa mga Robinsons Bank credit card holder dyan, share naman guys kung magkano yung mga credit limit nyo. Kasi sa akin, 10,000 lang. Yun na ba yung pinakamababa? Or mas may mas mababa pa doon? Ayan, nag-iba tayo ng pwesto. So, ayun na nga. So, yung reward system nito is, okay, so they have PRU Life UK Classic Mastercard has no annual fee for life. As long as i-enroll mo siya sa automatic payment facility para ma-deduct yung premium payments mo every month. And then 0% installment din for qualified hospital and drugstore transactions. And this will be automatically be converted to a 0% installment for 3 months. And they also have exclusive perks and discounts. So you can get great deals from our health and wellness partner merchants. And the rewards point system is if you are going to use this card for your PRU Life UK transactions, just like deducting your premium payments every month, you get 5 points for every 50 pesos purchase, right? And then 1 point for all other purchases, like groceries and other purchases other than PRU Life UK transactions. That's pretty much the features and benefits of PRU Life Classic Mastercard. Yung isa kasi PRU Life UK Platinum Mastercard naman yung isa. But you can check it on Robinsons website. Okay, so basically it's so like most of the cards, it has security features, okay, which is an EMV chip card. So ayan siya, at saka ano siya, Mastercard, ano siya, PayWave na rin siya. Okay, so it's secured, so makakasiguro kang your information is encrypted whenever you swiped it sa mga merchants and also online. So actually nagamit ko na today. I just used it kanina lang. Ginamit ko na siya for my Globe Postpaid bill. Okay, so gumana naman siya agad. So first is you need to activate muna yung card by texting. So you'll have to text muna ha. Activate. To-text muna siya. Text RBank activate, then first name and last name, and then last 4 digits of the card to 2256. And then siguro mga within 5 minutes na-receive ko na yung confirmation na successful siya. So ginamit ko na agad siya for my online transaction. And I'm also planning to use this for my groceries tomorrow para sa ating Christmas Eve, diba? Mga handa-handa natin. And it says here guys, yung statement date ko is I'm not sure kung pare-pareho yung statement date ha. Sa akin every 23rd of the month. So magka-cut off na pala siya bukas. Nasakto pa na. Talagang sakto pa na ano no. Na gamit ko today. Today is the 22nd. So tomorrow is the 23rd. So baka mamaya ma-include na yun sa statement natin yung purchase natin kanina. So check natin. So yun lang muna guys sa ngayon. Sa lahat ng mga Robinsons Bank credit card, pa-share naman yung mga experiences nyo dito dahil baka naman, so magkano ba yung mga credit limit ninyo? Hina-hina tayo sa mga paggamit ng credit card, Okay, lalo ngayon holiday season, baka mamaya swipe kayo ng swipe dyan. Nakaka-tempt talaga swipe using our credit card. Pero dahan-dahan, wag masyado. Gamitin lang natin siya kung kinakailangan, okay? Hindi sa lahat ng bagay. Try natin kung paano mag-increase ng credit line kasi hindi ko pa na-try ito magpa-increase ng credit line sa mga bangko. So, I will try to call Robinsons Bank customer service. Sino sa inyo nakapag-request na ng increase ng credit limit sa Robinsons Bank? Pa-comment down below para may idea din ako kung paano, hindi ba? Kung ano yung mga kailangan at hindi kailangan. Alright? So, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you learned something today. And again, happy holidays. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Keep safe. Advance Happy New Year na din sa mga family and friends ninyo. And you guys, take care and be safe during the holidays, okay? Huwag masyadong kain ng kain, ha? Magtira din, ha? So, see you on our next vlog. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Bye!